Okay. So we got this thing roped off, but I want to let you guys show you a little update. We poured it. We used fiberglass with concrete that was like 3,000 psi or 4,000 psi concrete. Smoothed it out, and see the drain right there? Oh man, but yeah, one thing that I have to keep reminding myself, minus the bug right there. Get off there, bug. One thing that I have to keep reminding myself is to work concrete, add water. So if you want this thing a little bit smoother, just sprinkle a little bit of water on it, and then you can work it. What happens is the sediment, oh, that bug's killing me. It's killing me right there. Go, shoo, go away. So what happens is the aggregate sinks to the bottom, and the cement stuff rises to the top. It kind of just settles itself. And okay, he's gone. Okay, so yeah, we got the two pours, and it was interesting. I will tell you that much. Yeah. So, like always, jack of all trades, master of none. See ya.